App blacklisting and whitelisting. You can use blacklisting or whitelisting policies to control what applications are installed or accessed on the devices. Both are mutually exclusive approaches. You can either use blacklisting or whitelisting. In blacklisting, all apps are allowed by default. You make a list of unwanted apps and they'll be blocked on the devices. In whitelisting, all apps are blocked by default. You create a list of allowed apps and they alone can run on the devices. Let's check out each. Go to Policies, iOS Settings, App Management, Black/White Listing, App Blacklisting. Select Blacklist. Choose apps in your inventory here or search App Store and select apps. You can also add a group you have created. When you're done, assign this policy to a device, user or group, and save. Now whitelisting. Create a whitelisting policy the same way. Add apps or app groups to the whitelist. Select policy targets and save. The selected apps alone can run on the device. Well, there's the iOS Settings app. It's allowed by default. All other applications will be blocked. To remove blacklisting or whitelisting, you can either remove the target device from the policy or delete the policy altogether. Blacklisting and whitelisting, by design, are not to be applied on a device at the same time. But if you happen to do so by chance, whitelisting will have precedence. That is, the whitelisted apps alone will run on the device.